CJWinter has been in business since 1956. We've been focusing on thread rolling. Specifically, we've developed our own line of attachments and then the actual thread rolling dies to use on those attachments.
Any thread that you've ever seen has been touched with a CJWinter thread roll.
We've been expanding to include cylindrical dies for any other OEM attachment.
Our rolls are made here in the United States. Quicker turnarounds. We handle all our own heat treating in-house, which allows us to control the process and the materials in a lot.
When we receive the material, we do an extensive microstructure analysis, and that's all done in-house. So all the machining is done in-house. We stock a variety of different types of tool steel and high-speed steels to be able to deliver our products in a very fast time.
We're always trying to advance our production and our manufacturing methods, machines. We always want to have the latest technology. We always want to upgrade our machines so that we can produce things better. So we've started to look at robotics to help us increase our amount of rolls that we can output through our day.
We have a very large repair department and service department where a customer can send their attachment in if it's worn or they're having issues with it. We provide an evaluation. It's free of charge, and we can provide a quote to have it done, and typically those can be done within 7 to 10 days from the initial receipt of the attachment itself. The people that are repairing the product are the people that are building the parts for that product.
All our product is made in the USA, all in Rochester, New York. We're able to offer 24-hour delivery for about 80% of our thread rolls, which means if you place an order today by noon, we'll be shipping it tomorrow to you.
And even the specialty dies that we do a lot of, they still are faster than our competitors in the market. A lot of customers don't stock anything anymore, so they don't have as much inventory. They know that they can turn around something, a tool, and they can get the tool in 1 to 2 days. So instead of having a large inventory, they can actually call us up and get it fairly quick.
Our delivery gets us in the door, but our quality, customer service, and value pricing keeps us there.
So one-stop shopping. We have several customers that have several different attachments, and we realize that. We're very flexible in our manufacturing methods.
We provide replacement rolls for our own line of attachments, as well as LMT FETI attachments, all of them, reed attachments, as well as Landis attachments. We also provide replacement rolls for thread rolling machines, which are standalone machines, which includes Reed 822 machines, Landis machines, Tesker, Reg, Sugami, Seni, ORT, etc. There's a variety of machines. And what we say is if it's 8 inches diameter or smaller, we either can make it or have made it already. We've been working on developing our website for many years, and we're very proud of our website. We feel in today's digital world you have to have a great presence on the internet.
We try to do informational videos, assembly videos, technical data,
drawings, spare parts list, how-to videos.
We're starting to introduce different kinds of calculators that allow people to understand thread rolling in a much easier way and give them feedback relative to how to thread roll, what things you can thread roll, and so forth. So we're starting to put more and more of the data that our engineers have and use every day, that anyone that can go to our website and use these calculators to really help them achieve thread rolling and bring it down to a more understandable level. We are committed to making our customers successful and allowing them to utilize thread rolling to really optimize their process and the bottom line.
We're a partner for the long term.
We are very much committed to being the world leader in providing thread rolling solutions. Thread rolling is not only what we do, it's all we do.
CJWinter always strives to create a meaningful value proposition for its customers. We are fair, we have excellent employees, we invest in great equipment, we continuously improve our processes, we reinvest in our Rochester, New York facility, and we do everything within our power to quickly keep all of our customers operational and productive.